from OG Creations. It's February, so happy Valentine's month! I was taking inventory after my recent Etsy holiday sale, and there were a few items that still had a number of backstock left. That's when I had a light bulb moment! Why not challenge myself to create new Valentine's-themed content only using repurposed shirts? This is my Carrie-inspired Plug It Up tee from Halloween 2021. Sidebar, if you like this tee, you're gonna love the matching men's bikini briefs selling now on my Etsy site. The fire red on this tee was definitely giving me rose vibes, so I wanted to crank the amp up, being inspired by those cheap plastic wrap multicolored roses outside of convenience stores. You know, the ones for anyone who's forgotten that it's Valentine's Day. Nothing says you're my number one or number right now like a wilted bunch of gas-scented roses. I knew I wanted to continue the crumple technique, but it needed another holiday flair. A heart, of course, so heartfold it is. Using Dharma fiber reactive dyes, my heart is filled with eggplant. I also use Dragonfruit, Maroon, and Peach to create the feel of those ghastly bouquets. Once saturated, I bag it up for 24 hours. I first wash away the remaining dye under cold water. I then run it through 2 cold rinse cycles in the washing machine and 1 hot cycle, also adding dyer's detergent. I actually really love this tee. It's playful, colorful, and way better than that tacky-ass bouquet. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there are any items you'd like to see created next.